I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I remember.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang ba mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
So, I know, may ginagdadaanan ka na. Pero paano ka nag-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey.
Inamin ng aktres na si Maris Racal na hiwalay na sila ni Rico Blanco. Bago pa aminin ang hiwalayan, sinabi pa ni Maris Racal na hindi seloso si Rico at suportado ito sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Hindi seloso si Rico, supportive siya. Nang manihis na ang tanong tungkol sa kanyang personal na buhay, dito na naging emosyonal si Maris at inamin na wala na sila ni Rico. Rico and I are over, sabi ng aktres sa isang press conference nitong Biyernes. It's fresh, it's been 3 weeks. Hirit pa ng aktres, si Maris at Rico ay inanunsyo ang kanilang relasyon noong May 2021. Matatandaan na sa ganitong paraan inadmit ni Miss Maris Racal ang kanilang 2-year of relationship with Rico Blanco away from limelight, where the happiest but her desire not to keep the love of her life hidden from the world forever and made her decide for them to finally come out in the open. Sitting down sa isang vlog ni Dr. Vicky Bello, that Can't Buy Me Love or Can't Buy Me Love, actress shared that she and Blanco used to go abroad just to date each other, which went on for 2 years as they tried to shy away from the spotlight. Sabi niya noon, I kept it for 2 years, she said. Yung quiet nung 2 years na yon, and it was one of the happiest years na na-experience ko kasi totoo lang siya. There are no pretension. Masaya lang kami and we never dated outside here in the Philippines. Racal underscored that one of her realization during the pandemic is that the only thing that matters are the people you love, which prompt her to go Instagram official with the River Maya band member. Ako na nag-decide. Nagka-pandemic, ang dami nangyari sa mundo. It was very sad. Doon ko na-realize ang nagmamatter ay yung mga taong mahal mo talaga. It's not your career or whatever worldly possession. It is the people. Sabi ko, I don't want to keep on hiding. I don't want to leave this earth na tinatago ko yung mahal ko, explained the actress. The 26-year-old kapamilya star affirmed that Blanco understood the time that they had to hide their relationship. He didn't force me. He agreed sa condition ko na I love my career. Hindi pwedeng sa ganitong state ng career ko tapos magjowa tayo, she shared. Racal looked back on how their relationship started by admitting she has always had a crush on OPM singer and said she tweeted on X, formerly Twitter, about wanting to collaborate with musician hoping Blanco would notice, which he did eventually because the fans tagged him knowing that the actress is a fangirl, and the rest, as they said, become history. Recently, Blanco held a reunion concert with his River Maya band members and Racal showed her full support for the singer-songwriter. So, inamin ni Miss Maris Racal noon na yung kanilang relationship ni Mr. Blanco or ni Mr. Rico Blanco ay sinekreto nila for almost 2 years dahil na rin po sa career-wise, mga oras na yon talagang umaariba na yung kanyang karera sa showbiz. So, kailangan po nilang itago yun. At inamin din naman ni Miss Maris na talagang sobrang fan na fan siya ni Mr. Rico Blanco. Kaya naman, nung nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na talagang ligawan siya at nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataon na they decided to go on dating, ay doon na po nagsimula ang lahat. Sinasabi ng ilan na si Maris Racal at si Mr. Rico Blanco ay magka-live-in partner. Ito po ay kinumpirma ni Mr. OG Diaz sa kanyang showbiz upload sa Showbiz Now na or Entertainment Showbiz blog sa YouTube. At ngayong araw nga ng July 12, Friday, sa kanyang interview dahil sa kanyang papalapit na movie, inamin at humahagulgol na inamin ni Miss Maris Racal that Mr. Rico Blanco and Maris Racal is already breaking up.